Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mayur. In this video, we are going to learn about the difference between fault tolerance and high availability. So let's get started.
First, we will learn the meaning and definition of high availability and fault tolerance. Then we will look into the important feature of having high availability and fault tolerance infrastructure for our application or the infrastructure in the cloud. After that, we will see the key point or differences in between these two terms. So the term availability means ensuring timely and reliable access to and use of information, which means when user want to access the application or when user want to use the data or information of the application, it should be available for users. So in cloud infrastructure, the definition of high availability is a failover feature to ensure availability during device or component interruptions. Let's see the important features of high availability. The availability of data and application is the core requirement of any application. There are many reasons why you may lose availability. Most common issues are network outage, system failure like virtual machine failure, or power outage. So high availability aim to minimize the risk of problem that impact availability of your application. It designed to ensure that the entire system can quickly recover if one of its components crashed or failed. It has an ample number of redundant resources to allow failover to another resource if the other one fails. Let's see what is fault tolerance. So, fault tolerance refers to the availability of a system to continue operating without interruption when one or more of its components fail. What definition says here that a property of a system that allows proper operation even if component fails. So we'll see that feature so you will understand more about fault tolerance. So for design perspective, a fault tolerant system is to prevent disruption arising from a single point of failure. It has a more complex design and higher redundancy to sustain any fault in one of its components. So it's a more complex design than higher availability, you can say. It can tolerate any component fault to avoid any performance impact, data loss, or system crashes by having redundant resources beyond what is typically needed. Let's see the difference between both of them as per their goal. So high availability aims for your application to run as per agreed period of time, and that is SLA. Example like 99.999%. So SLA, you must be knowing that cloud service provider offers a service level agreement that guarantee a certain level of availability as a percentage, like 99.99. And in case of fault tolerance, it aims on keeping your application running with zero downtime. Okay, so these are the differences between both as per design. So high availability design ensure that the entire system can quickly recover if one of its components crashed, and in fault tolerant it has more complex design and higher redundancy to sustain any fault in any of its components. In high availability, it has an ample number of redundant resources to allow failover to another resource if the other one fails. And in case of fault tolerant, we have already seen in previous slides for the same that it can tolerate any component fault to avoid any performance impact, data loss, or system crash by having redundant resource beyond what is typically needed. So in high availability, failure may occur but provides a way for the system to recover fast. So it could be cost effective, depend upon situation. And in fault tolerance, implementing a fault tolerant system is costly as companies have to spend more on capital and operating expenses for running it. See, both the high availability and fault tolerance, you can say that they both have objective of ensuring that your application run all the time without any system degradation. You can think of fault tolerant infrastructure as an upgraded version of high availability. So high availability, the system can be highly available but not tolerant, and it can be both. But in case of fault tolerance, if an application is fault tolerant, then it is also considered highly available.
Alright, so that is all for this topic. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. See you all in my next one.